Hello everyone, I am Minku Mittal from C Simplify IT. Me and my team work on VPN and e-commerce projects. I will show you what I have did today. I have made a DVR printing report in SQL. Here in SQL Server Management Studio, I have made query. First, we need to know of the tables. This is the table schedule request in which we got the request. When a user click on DVR button, we can get the data. here here we got the request number requested for means distributor ID, and the requested by user ID, requested on date, served on, serve status. If serve status is 2, then uh, it is viewed by the distributor. If it is 1 or 0, then it is requested. uh, Then we have request location ID. It means a user from where he requested for the DVR. So we use this table and the location master table, so we can get the location name of the branch office from where a user give this uh, request this DVR for a distributor. So we have made a query in which we can see the total request from a particular location. uh, Here we can execute this query. So what we fetched from this query: first is requested, means we have a status of 01. Second is requested on date, it's on 8/18, and viewed is 0, and name of the branch is last Bhatnagar. That's what we have fetched from this query. We only have this 1 and 0 record because we have added uh, 2008 18 date from date, which is, and the to date is also the same, 2014 8. We have made a subquery in this. uh, Here we have a subquery in which we can get the viewed column, means serve status is equal to 2. We also execute it separately, so here we can get 0 as we get in the whole query. So we need to make use of this query to make a bug report. What we have did in it: first we have made a data source, that is data source name in which we have our driver class com.microsoft.sql server jdbc sql server, and then we have database URL, which is this 180.179.67.205, and the database name is inventory. Then we have username and password, then we test connection, then click on OK. Then we have made data set, that is DVR requested details. In this we have just added a query and define the parameters, which is BOID, date from, date to, and we can also preview results here. Here we can get the result. There are the report parameters: date from, which is required, date to, which is also required, BOID is not required, because if we can't put BOID in its parameter, it will show all the BOID. And we also have a generated by, which is also required. So we can preview this. Here we have added a date, which is 2014-8/18 to 2014-8/18, exactly the same date which we have added here. And then BOID we have given null value, then generated by. Now we go to have a report. Here we have the DBA printing report. First we have got date from and date to, which is 18 August 2014 to 18 August 2014, means 1 day report, and the branch name is Lajpat Nagar, which have made a request, that is 1, and the view is 0. So we can also view it in PDF. We need to enter date here, 2014 08/18 2014 0. We can also add another date, BOID null info, and then click on OK. Here we can get the TBR printing report, date, Lajpat Nagar, which is branch name, viewed 16, requested 37, and then we get generated by page. And that's all we got here. That's what I have made in this report, and that's how we have made report. Thank you for your time. I look forward to have any comments from you. Thank you.